Today we're here to show you how to install a vertical turbine sub. We're going to verify the lateral setting. Make sure our cable is in the cable area. We want to take and lower this on down. You see the spline coming down on the shaft. Now we've got our impeller all the way on the bottom. We want to check the lateral, verify the lateral adjustment. We're going to mark this right here. Going to pick it back up, and once the coupling starts moving, we'll know how much lateral we have. So right there, our coupling started moving. So we can verify we have 3/16 inches of lateral here. And that's a proper set for a submersible pump. We're going to let it down and bolt it up. Checking our vertical submersible lateral is extremely important for verification. I want to remind you, if it's not set properly, contact the factory immediately. We do send a submersible IOM with it. We also have factory contact information at that point.